Good morning. Here we are for the live stream. Early today, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Got our first viewer coming in. Welcome to the stream. Let me get the lighting a little better in here. There we go. So UBX, the thing I don't like about UBX is the catalyst is not that good. It's only announcing its positive 24-week data. Announces positive 20. Oh no, it is results. So I thought it was just a schedule for over the next schedule that's the phase 2 24 weeks. So we do have results for the phase 2. So phase 2 can be a pretty decent catalyst. It's just that the stock is not holding up. So really not sure. And the float is what, 14? UBX 14. That's shares outstanding. We can go over to Guru Focus and check out the float, the real float on UBX. Go to ownership. So we got 13.8 million on UBX. I'm gonna write that down. Sometimes I like to write, that kind of stuff down. Always got to keep a notepad and pen handy dandy ready. So there's that. Did not require standards of care. So there's good news for the results. A single injection of UBX led to statistically significant and clinically relevant improvement in best corrected visual activity of 7.6 EDTRS letters. So these are the letters when you close your eyes and you gotta look at the sheet. You gotta say the letters. So I guess you're better at seeing E, T, D, R, and S at 24 weeks. It's pretty good. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So these are sort of some of the things that I do when I'm kind of analyzing a stock, a pre-market. So I look at the catalyst, look at the float, kind of read the news, and then I look at the daily chart. So this clearly has history of a big move. I do remember UBX now. This thing ran in April. UBX, wow. So clearly has a history of making a big move, which is good. which is good. However, it did come right back down, so still, you know, the risk is always there. But let's draw out some of these levels. I wonder if it might be easier here. So we'll have some resistance. So the earliest we closed on the 5 minute was 355, but it spiked all the way up to 80. So probably gonna get some resistance at 350, but I'm not going to put a line there because that's just gonna look weird on the chart. So 380s right here. This is the pre-market high a day. So this is a good spot to map out. And you could see that the pre-market high a day literally matched up with all of these areas in here to match up with the resistance. Then you're probably going to have, well, psychological resistance at 4. That's pretty obvious. And then you have some more resistance between 22 and 29. So we'll just map it out at 21 here. But you'll probably have resistance up until 430 until you break that high. And then from there, it is sort of light volume though in here. So it might not be that significant. It's when it's really high volume on these consolidations or a breakdown where it could be a little bit more resistance. And then from there you got 40s by 40. Oh, and then you also have a resistance area here that lines up with 21. So, and then from there, maybe up in this area after 7, and then you start to fill in some of these gaps from August overnight, and then it could potentially really start to rip. So you might get this red to green kind of similar red to green looking chart here at the open. This might squeeze up past 4 and start squeezing out any shorts that were in here or in here, and maybe all the way up until 7. That would be really, really nice, you know, if we can squeeze up all the way up to 7 and break this, you know, this low point of the sell-off, and kind of squeezing out all those shorts that got in late after the big dump is usually, you know, you get that bounce. This is why we're getting that bounce, because of short covering, and you know, you see the stocks getting real cheap, and then you just get a news catalyst. So definitely anyone who has been short over the past 2 months, definitely probably looking to take profits today. This coffee is going to have to start kicking in soon. Man, I'm a little bit sleepy today. Thank you guys for tuning in for the stream. We got 5 viewers. It's pretty awesome. I did go on a couple calls yesterday with a few of you guys. That was super fun. And again, I want to announce I'm going to be doing that promotion for the free 30-minute coaching call for any of you guys, early subscribers up until I hit 1,000 subs. You guys can get a free 30-minute coaching call with me. So you can book that with the link in the description with calendly.com. There's going to be a link there. You guys can book that with me. And again, yeah, I did a couple with a few of you guys already, and that was super fun. Just getting to know you guys and, you know, shooting the shiz with you guys. So here we're getting some volume. So we're going to get some, you know, this is going to be an area of a potential breakout for the run to the high. And then also looks like, you know, if we do, let's check out the 5-minute, maybe be more clear. Yeah, so here at 335 is going to be, you know, if you break back over that, this is resistance right here because it's previous support. And now, since it broke below, it's now resistance. So if it gets back over that, then it starts to look better for the curl back up to the highs. So anyone who's short, who's expecting this to just keep going lower, is likely, if this breaks back over this line, it's likely to squeeze them out. But again, nothing is guaranteed, just sort of my thesis. And, a lot of times I am wrong, a lot of setups, doesn't matter who you are, a lot of setups are going to be wrong. So it's good to manage your risk. Let me check the scanners again. Maybe something else popped up. So right now it's just about staying patient, not trading any of this stuff. It's not my setup. I'm not really gonna be trading any of that. Wait for the good setups and size into those. You can make more money by taking fewer setups but with bigger size than trading more quantity of setups. Which is the beauty of trading. You can make so much money in such a little amount of time, and you just need to be a master of one setup, one type of stock, penny stocks, small caps, large caps, or the SPY or indexes. You just need to be the master of one, and you can make more money than you could ever dream of. That's the beauty of this. It's about focusing your knowledge basis on one type of sector, stock, setup, momentum, gap up, gap down, bull flag, red to green setup, micro pullbacks, 5-minute consolidations, 5-minute dips, 1-minute dips, breakouts or halts up. So many different setups. You can just pick a few of those. If you can just master one or two of those, you'll have enough skills to make a lot of money. But also each of those setups, in the small caps at least, what I'm finding is like each of those setups, they start to cycle through over time. The market starts to change, and previously, bull flags are great. They had great continuation on them, and then you maybe find that like a couple weeks later, the bull flags aren't really working as well, but you're seeing so many more red to green setups. So stocks that dip right at the open for a couple of minutes, and then around like 9:40, they'll just squeeze up with one huge green candle, and you'll start seeing a couple of those back to back to back, and then maybe a few weeks later, you'll start to see just them start ripping right at the open up into a halt up. and that'll start to be like sort of a theme, or you'll get more IPOs. So the theme is always changing, and that's also something that you need to keep an eye on. Keep recognizing the patterns. So that's why also is mastering not only one, but it's always going to be changing. So the bull flags aren't working out. It's good to have another one as well, at least as far as setups. Let's take a look here at the overall market. Let's see so we're gapping up. That's good. It's good news. So yesterday I said we could potentially find that support, which we did here at 385 from the break over this downward resistance. We did find that support, and I'd see that we could potential retest for that high to break back over this price level of 390, which is 390 seems like a pretty big level. And then you have up to 395, and then if it breaks 395, up to 400, and it may be up to this resistance level, but I don't see it ever breaking this resistance level, or at least for a long time. If it does make its way up to 410, up to this area, it's very likely it's going to dip at least one more time back to 380, if not start to form a bear flag and come down even more. I mean, I think this recession is just getting started. Like, we really could be seeing something like this. It could be something like that. Or we could be seeing something like, if this really is the bottom, we could be seeing something like this. You could see something like that. This is all just theory, though. You never really know what's going to happen, but I don't know. I really don't think this recession is near to be over yet. But definitely in a bear market rally. So that could be good for the small caps. Hopefully UBX starts to ramp up today. If you guys are not yet a member of the Discord, check out the Discord. The link will be in the description. You guys can join the Triad Trading Lounge, which I will be active in every day, and we can chat and discuss ideas, share ideas, wins and losses, trades, etc. Building a community here around growth, so you guys will be able to learn a lot by being a member here in Triad Trading Lounge and being a subscriber to the YouTube channel. definitely a slow morning today. So nothing moving. Let's check out the scanner again. Nothing on the scanner. We had PHAS pop. It's a penny stock. CDIO selling off. ABMD, and that is ABMD is a reverse split, looks like, or something. Right, let's take a look at that. ABMD, what is going on here? Why would they do a reverse split if price is at 250? So maybe it's not a reverse split. So it looks like what was the first news article here? Earnings. That's Johnson & Johnson to acquire a biomed. Wow. So pretty good acquisition right there. Anyone who was holding long ABMD just got a nice profit. Well, at least anyone who was in at a decent price. So it sold it at 383. So wow, crazy stock. Wow. What if you bought this down here and just had been holding it for like 10 years? Man, you just made a killing. Crazy. So pretty much most of the longs made profit here in ABMD. Anyone who was short just got screwed, and yeah, pretty good news for the longs. 383, really good buyout there. So most people got profit with ABMD, unless you bought up in here. But it's crazy, 250 up to 383. I bet you there's people, insiders, who, this is probably why there's volume in here, because these are probably just all insiders who knew it was coming and they bought in last minute, and then literally in 3 minutes they made $150 a share. And that's a sad reality about this. It's like some people just have that inside information, whatever governments, if they work in the government or they work in the corporation, they just have like a family friend or something buy this stock when they know that they're getting acquired by Johnson & Johnson. They make $130 a share, and they walk away nice, happy, and rich until they get caught by the IRS and the SEC. Yeah. All right, we got 8 viewers. Welcome to the stream. Check out the links in the description. We have links to the Discord channel. We have links to the free 30-minute consultation that I'm offering until I get to 1,000 subs. But you have to be a subscriber. So if you're not yet a subscriber, subscribe and like the video. And also some other links as well you guys can check out. Thank you for tuning in. Look at all of these people who just joined the Discord. Awesome. It's great to see this community growing. We just got 2 in the past 4 minutes. We got 2 more people to join. So it's an open server, public, free for you guys. You can share some valuable information, learn from each other. Yes, very low, slow pre-market, reckless. Very slow. Here we go. Got a break of VWAP here on UBX. We'll see if it starts to get some volume. Okay. Ah, Jesus, I didn't have my thing set. It's on day still. Go a little bit lower, maybe. See if we get up to 55 or 56. Come on. Struggling there. Just got to outbreak even. Whoa, okay. So it dipped down to 50 and it went to the... Maybe I was only able to get a couple of cents out of that if I did hold. Maybe we'll get a dip here off 45, but still it's technically a ranging dip. It could be a little bit more risky. Go on, give me like 1 cent or 2 cents or something. Bounce. Come on. There we go. Buyers coming in. Give me 52, 53, something. That wasn't bad for a trade if you had a little bit of longer, like a 3 or 4 minute hold time or 5 minute hold time. See the volume, 139. It's not terrible. So here the high is 65. All right, that's a double top right now. Maybe some shorts are getting in for the potential double top. If it closes above 65, then you're looking at a run to maybe 381. Just got a couple more people joining the Discord. Welcome to the Discord. Welcome to the stream. It's great to have you. I'll put in a starter there. Look to hold this for the break of highs. I got in a little bit high, didn't I? This is interesting. The proper entry here was 65. And then selling into this pop. Instead, I bought into the pop. I was waiting for that continuation up until 381. It's the thing with this cold market. It's the thing with this cold market. Continuation. I mean, I'd be holding already 10 cents down, so it's already too much if I was still holding. Let's look at the 5 minute. Still topping tail. This does not look pretty. It's not look pretty, but I think we could still break out. We could still definitely break out. You just gotta wait for maybe the open. Maybe get a breakout at 9. It's still only 8:45. could be a dip maybe down in here. Could see a dip here off for the 5-minute dip maybe here at 50. I want to see 52. Okay. What did we end up getting 52? Nah, not really. But that still would have been a decent dip. Maybe you could see it come down here. I'll be long here at 46, maybe. It would be long there. Because you have this area, this area, this area. And then you have VWAP. So topping tail candle on the 1 minute, topping tail red candle on the 5 minute. I literally waited for the pop and got in at 73. Oh, the great entry was here at 65. Could have got 10 cents there. What are you gonna do? That's the cost of waiting for being patient for this to see strength. You know, I wanted to wait to see strength, and the cost is for that security or that wanting to see strength. The cost of doing that is potentially missing the move or potentially getting in too high. You know, I guess I was willing to do that. UBX. UBX. Interesting. Where is the next entry? If it gets back over 65, it could be. It could look good. It could look good. We gotta have good volume though. Yeah, 14K, 12K sitting on 362, but getting sold into. Okay. Just setting something up here. I'm trying to do setting up an alert box. Actually hit the wrong button there. I have this one too. I was wondering why the subscriber ones weren't showing up. Well, I guess I'll have to figure it out later. Man, UBX is really not moving, huh? Still got 25 minutes. All right, so let's look here at the scanner. Anything new? RGS with 130,000 shares. I don't even want to look at that yet. 130,000 shares of volume. 45 million shares outstanding. ABMD, no. UBS, it's a WTMAR. What's that? Could be over the counter, OTC. No, it's NASDAQ. But yeah, I'm not trading that. UBX is it. That's it. UBX is the only stock moving. We'll see if we can get green on it and walk away. How you doing, Andres? Andres joining the Discord. Welcome. We got 5 viewers. 5 viewers. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If you are not yet a subscriber, consider subscribing, like the video. Also check out the links in the description. A lot of cool things, a lot of cool links in the description. Check out the Discord. We've got about 20, 21 viewers or so. or 2021 members in the Discord so far. It's only been launched for 2 days, so really, really awesome. I'm going to keep SONN on a chart on the side. This could give a day 2 run. But UBX, I guess, looks the best. UBX. Right now, sitting small red on the day, down $12.50. In at 73, out at 66, in at 50, out at 52, in at 53, out at 53. Small size. So Noah wants to get into day trading. He's asking how I think he should start. He's new to stocks and doesn't know much at all. Well, I guess for starters, I would just be browsing content from other traders and see what jives with you the best, whether that be traders in the large cap space, the small cap space, Forex, crypto, futures. There's so many different things to trade. So if I were you, I would just kind of, browse the different traders in the space that are trading different things, see what you're interested in, and then from there, it's about just narrowing your focus and learning as much as you can about that one area of the market. And then you can open up a free paper trading account here in TD Ameritrade, and you can paper trade the markets. And I would do that for, until you start getting consistently profitable. But you're gonna need to learn a lot of different patterns. You're gonna need to learn, stock flow, shares outstanding, all those things you could probably learn from somebody, in your space that has videos about those things. So you can learn pretty much everything for free on YouTube. But if you want, you could probably buy a course from somebody who has a course in that area of the market that you want to learn. That could be also helpful as well. But for the most part, you can find everything for free online. So I would just do a lot of research. It's just a lot of hours of researching, and then a lot of hours of just looking at the market and practicing in a paper trading account. And that can be, you're not risking any money, and you get to experience in the market. So that's what I would do. And just understand that's going to take a while until you start making some money. You're not going to really make any money trading for, I would say, minimum 6 months. And if you start making money within 6 months, then you're definitely one of the small percentage of people that pick it up really quick. But as a theme, as a base area, most people don't really start picking it up until about 18 months to 2 years. That seems to be the general consensus to where they start to turn the corner and make some money. So it's going to be a long road, and definitely you need to be ready for that if you want to become a trader, or at least have it as a side hustle. It's definitely not going to happen overnight. It seems so easy, though, when you watch other people. It seems so easy that you can just pick it up just like that, but it's not that easy. It's really not. So that's my advice, Noah. But if you are into small caps, definitely subscribe to the Triad Trading channel. Join the Discord channel, the Discord community, and you'll be able to get a lot of value out of that. The links will be in the description for for the Discord. Also, if you want, you could book a 30-minute call with me. I'm doing a free promotion for the first 1,000 subs. I'm going to be doing a free 30-minute coaching call. You can book a coaching call with me completely free with the link down in the description. And we can kind of get you started. I can probe your brain a little bit to see what you're interested in and kind of get you started if you want. We'd be open to doing that. Again, for complete, no cost at all. This is 924. All right, sounds good, Noah. Looking forward to it. So we got 5 minutes to the market open. Right now we got UBX on watch, maybe SONN if volume comes in at the open for a bottom bounce here or a second day bounce. But I'm going to end the stream here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Check out the links in the description. Also, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later today for the recap video.